Hey friends, if you wish to fix issues with USB drive not showing in my computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will obviously be to restart the computer. Here's all you have to do. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next one is to use a different port. Now why am I saying this? Because a lot of times what happens is that the port or the USB port is faulty, but that doesn't mean all the 4 or 5 USB ports are faulty. You can try changing it to isolate the case. And lastly, obviously, we will update the drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand this list here for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on USB root hub and select update drivers. Right click on the second one, update driver, and similarly update it for each and every root hub driver here. This should fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.